Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn 4.5 poem Tansen written by Hazrat Inayat Khan. Yesterday we have seen how Akbar was appreciated to the Tansen's song. Okay, he really liked the Tansen's singing and that's why he went to appreciate to the Tansen. Okay, and Akbar wished to Tansen that his desire is to wish to his teacher. Okay, and what happened next? Scorning its wealth, remote and far away, means his teacher is far away from the crowd, and he lived in a remote cave. Remote means very. Okay, remote means at a distance or far away. Means scorning its wealth. Scorning means reject. Means he reject his guru or his teacher, Tansen's teacher. He is reject. Scorning means reject. He reject its wealth and he at a distance and went far away. He dwells within a cave of Himalaya. And he dwells means he went to live. He went to live. Dwells means to live with a cave of Himalaya. Means he went to live within a cave of Himalaya. Could I but see him once, desired the king, sit at his feet a while and listening, and king's desire or king's wishes to meet to his Tansen's guru. Okay, at once only, and sit at his feet a while and listening, and his desire is to sit at his feet for a while and listening the ragas. Here is celestial song, I would deny my state and walk in robes of poverty. Then said Tansen, means what the Tansen said? As you desire, Huzur, indeed it were better as a slave and poor. Means if you want to if your wish is or if your desire is to meet to my guru or my teacher, you want to live like a slave and the poor. You don't want to meet him as a king. If you want to meet my guru, then you want to meet as a slave and a poor. Okay. To come, for he lifted above the things of earth, disdains to sing earthly king. And to come, for he means Tansen was also ready to meet to the Akbar to his guru, and lifted above thing of earth, disdain to sing to earthly king. Disdain means, what is the meaning of disdain? Disdain. Okay, disdain means feeling of rejection of wealth. Feeling of rejection of wealth. Okay. Means to come, for he lifted above the things of earth, disdain to sing to earthly king. And means it is not easy. Those who have person live in the cave. That person means it is not easy to sing the earthly king. Okay, but he agree and he want to sing for the Akbar. Long was road and Akbar as a slave followed Tansen who rode towards the cave. And long was the road, Akbar as a slave means Akbar was behind the Tansen. He was followed by the Tansen who was ride towards the cave. Means they are means Tansen and Akbar, they are going to the cave where there is his Tansen's guru is living. High in the mountain at the singer's feet, they knelt and prayed with supplication sweet. High in the mountain at singer's feet, they kneel and pray with supplication sweet. The knelt means on knee, means they are on knee, means who? Tansen and Akbar. They are on knee and they pray with supplication sweet. Supplication. What is the meaning of supplication? Humble request. Means they done their humble request sweetly. Towards the screen, lo, we have journeyed long. And he said, towards thy Srin. Srin means, what is the meaning of Srin? Srin means holy or sacred. Okay, holy or sacred means, see, toward the Srin means toward the holy and sacred we have journeyed, means they were went to the meet to Tansen's Guru, who was the sacred person, who was the holy person. O holy master, bless us with thy song. And Tansen said to his Guru, O holy master, bless us with your song to us. Means we want to listen your song and you have to sing for us this song. Then Ustad, owned by their humanity, sang songs of peace and high felicity. And Ustad, who owned by their humanity. Okay. And sang songs of peace and high felicity. Felicity means, what is the meaning of felicity? See, great happiness. Great happiness. The Malkas Raga or ecstatic rang till birds and beasts enchanted as he sang. The Malkas Raga means his Guru also sang their Malkas Raga, which are related to extreme happiness. Ecstatic means extreme happiness rang. The birds and beasts means beast means animals. Birds and animals enchanted as he sang. And while singing Tansen's Guru, there are birds, animals, and those who are listening, they were enchanted because of this magical effect. Magical effect of the sang. Enchanted means magical. Gather to hear over Akbar's dreaming soul. He felt the waves of heavily raptured sorrow. And gather to hear over Akbar's dreaming soul. And Akbar was very enthusiastic to listen the song of Tansen's Guru, and that time he was really filled their dreaming soul. He felt the waves of heavenly rapture roll, and means Akbar felt the waves of heavenly rapture roll. Okay, rapture means celestial means everyone know na. Celestial means heaven. Okay, celestial means heaven. And celestial rapture. What is the meaning of rapture? Rapture means extremely pleasure, happiness. Okay, because of the Tansen's Guru singing, he really means experienced the heavenly rapture role. He really extremely, he was really extremely pleasure. He get there extremely pleasure. He get there extremely happiness. Okay, rapture role means extremely pleasure or extremely happiness. But as he turned to speak his word of praise, Ustad had vanished from his wandering gaze. And when Akbar turned to speak his words of praise, means Akbar want to appreciate to his Guru. But when he went there, that time Ustad had vanished. Ustad had vanished. Vanish means disappear. Ustad was means he was immediately disappear from his wandering gaze. Gaze means look. Okay. Or surprise. Tell me, Tansen, what then? What theme is that holds the soul enchanted and the hearts in fold? And Tansen said, when theme means, see, here is given meaning. Here it means a musical composition. Means what musical composition is that hold the soul enchanted, and because of that theme, my soul is enchanted, my soul become magical, and the heart infold, and heart also it is infold. Okay, means not fold. In high delight, and when he knew the name, tell me again, he said, could you the same? And in high delight, he said, when he knew the name, that time he said, could you the same? Theme sing to lure my heart to paths untrod. Aha, no, to thee I sing, he sings to God. And theme means that musical compositions. It is lure means attract. Okay, it attract my heart to path untrod, means it's attract the Akbar's heart to path untrod. Untrod means not previously, not part to unpreviously. Aha, no, to thee I sing. To thee means for you I sing, he sings to God. And Akbar's means Guru, he sings to God. Okay, he sings to God. Means wherever Tansen's replied that he could not, for he, Tansen sang to Akbar, human being, while Ustad sang to God. Means when Tansen was singing, that time Tansen was singing for the Akbar, means for the human being. And Ustad, when Ustad was sang the song, that time he sang the song for the God. Okay, for the God. He sings to God, and Akbar means Tansen sings to the for the Akbar, means human being. Like this way our poem finished. You have to write the beside questions, hard words meaning, and English workshop. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and question number 3 don't write. Question number 4, question number 5. Okay, this question you have to write. Only question number 3 and 6 don't write in notebook. Okay, thank you.